Welcome back. The next step I want to cover is how to use the wrap test and shrink cells tool when the data input in a cell is too large to fit it. One of the following two things happens if columns to the right are empty. A long test string extends over the cell borders into those columns. If an adjacent cell to the right contains any data, the test string is cut off at the cell border. In this worksheet, we have some cells with text inside. Click on cell A1. The content doesn't show up as we want because the text is cut off, of course. I don't want to change the cell boundaries. A quick way is the wrap test. The Excel wrap test feature can help you fully display longer text in a cell without overflowing into other cells. Wrapping text means showing the cell content on multiple lines rather than one long line. This will allow you to avoid the truncated column effect, make the text easier to read, and a better fit printing. Let's try it. Highlight cell A1 and go to the Home tab and click Wrap Text. In the alignment group, all the cells' contents usually appear and the cell's width remains unchanged, but the cell is now taller. If you don't want to change the cell, you would prefer the following techniques. Undo with Ctrl+Z and now click down arrow from the alignment section. Look at this option, shrink to fit. Shrink to fit will automatically reduce the font size until the text fits in a cell. Click this box and OK. Notice that it reduces the type of size of the data inside the cell. The cell boundaries didn't change either in a vertical or horizontal direction. Now look at the cell A10. It contains more than 200 characters. I imported it from Word. Rather than having all this in cell A10, you would like to wrap it around and go down this way with all the data highlighted. Go to Field, Justify, and we will get a prompt. The text will extend below the range. Click OK. The text is usually showing Fill. Justify is lifesaver option, a beneficial technique, especially if you want to import data from another source like Word. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Bye.